In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows Media Player not playing file formats such as MKV and MP4 files due to missing codecs. So go ahead and open up your web browser and navigate to shark007.net. Once you're here, click on codecs, scroll down, and you'll find the download button right here. Click on that and go ahead and save that. We'll go ahead and open up our downloads, and you can see that it's a .7z file. If you don't have a means to extract that, I recommend 7-zip. You can go to 7zip.org and download the appropriate installer. Once you've got 7-zip installed, go ahead and right-click on the file that we downloaded from Shark007, and we're going to go ahead and extract it. Now, this new folder that appeared, we're going to want to keep. So I'm going to move this out of my downloads folder, and I'm going to put it right on my C drive. Just right there. I'm going to go ahead and go into it, right click on the launcher, run it as an administrator, click yes on the window that pops up. And in this window that comes up, just go ahead and click WMP suggested settings. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Go ahead and click exit. And then if we go back to our files and we try and open them up, now they should be working. And as you can see, it's now working excellently. Both MP4 and MKV files are now playing. Audio works, everything works. Hope it helps you guys. Enjoy.